You have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. Well, today I am bringing you a centerpiece that I made using things from Burlington. I bought these 3 grass balls from Burlington, and each of them was $5.99. Each of them was $5.99, and I got 10% off. And I already had the glass things here from the Dollar Tree. So I just decided to make me a simple table centerpiece. Guys, I'm bored with the centerpiece. So I am going to do something else with these 3 pieces of bushes here. So if you want to see what I end up doing, just stay tuned. So guys, I am just using basically, if I can, things from around the house. And before I go shopping for anything, but also when I see stuff out in the street, if I get a good feeling about it, especially if I know what I'm going to use it for, it's pieces that'll stay with me forever. So I'm just going to stick this dowel rod through here. Going to find an opening. I don't want to mess it up and break it apart and start cutting in it, because I know me. I know that I will end up getting tired of this and wanting to use it for something else. So basically, I am going to stick the stick all the way through. The garbage can will probably stop there. Then I'm going to take my second one. I think you all know where I'm going with this. And I'm going to stick it through. And the other thing that I am going to do is I am going to go and get some bushes, you know, some trees. Some sticks from the yard or from wherever I see sticks at. And then I am going to fill sticks up between here. So I could stop there if I want, but I don't. I want to keep going. So this is just a quick project with, like I said, things that I have around the house. I have made so many mistakes going buying things, and when I looked up, I could have used what I had around the house. So to tell you the truth, I'm done with all that noise. Now at the top, I'm not going to stick the stick all the way through, because you don't want that showing up there. So I'm going to stop right there. So now, since we have the 3 bushes here, I'm just going to sit it in the garbage can and go from there. All right, guys, I got my garbage can from downstairs, and I like that it's, brown and everything. My hopes was that I could put the topiary on here and that the topiary would just hold it up, but it didn't. So what I am going to do is take a vase that I had, for flowers or whatever, just until I go get something to fill up this garbage can with. So I'm just going to put the vase in the garbage can, and I am going to sit the tree inside. And let's see if that'll work. There we go. And that's my tree. So guys, Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And guys, as always, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. And I'll talk to you later, guys. Look at that quick 5-minute tree. Look out for the next video. It's going to be something you want to see. Mwah!